The Chinese tech giant sedan receives the highest score of 2024 in C-NCAP crash tests. The Xiaomi SU7 Max achieved 5 stars in C-NCAP with an exact performance of 93.5%. As mentioned, it is the highest value among cars evaluated in 2024. It is 8.7% higher than the average result of other cars evaluated by C-NCAP. The SU7 Max scored the highest in the active safety category, 95.25%, and also approached the absolute records on automatic emergency braking and lighting effectiveness. The Xiaomi SU7 Max then scored 94.31% on Occupant Protection and 90.42% on Pedestrian Protection, 13.14% higher than the average. C-NCAP, in particular, rated the Xiaomi SU7 Max. This is the all-wheel drive version of this sedan, equipped as standard with a Lidar manufactured by Hesai and the Xiaomi Pilot Max driver assistance system. Its retail price is 299,900 yuan, or about 40,000 euros. Chinese smartphone giant Xiaomi is putting the world on notice as it transforms into an electric car company. Now it can boast that its cars are efficient and technologically advanced, but also safe. The SU7 is Xiaomi Auto's first model. Launched in March 2024, it quickly became a bestseller, with 186,112 units sold. To date, demand for the Xiaomi SU7 still exceeds supply, so much so that the lead time for this model is 11 months. Now Xiaomi is about to introduce the second model, the also-electric YU7 SUV. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews.